Okay, now let's move to the next car. As its code name suggested, Project 003 follows the Aston Martin Valkyrie and Valkyrie AMR Pro as the third hypercar in Aston Martin's rear mid-engine story. I'm pleased to announce that Red Bull Advanced Technologies will be supporting this program with their expertise, and Project 003 now officially joins the AMRB family. When we first conceived AMRB 003, we wanted to take everything that we learned on the Aston Martin Valkyrie and translate it into a car with its own unique character. To invite Christian and David back to reveal AMRB 003. AMRB 003 will be our daily supercar, but with the ability to create extreme performance through active aero and active suspension on both road and track. With the start of production in 2021, we will build just 500 coupes, which will be powered by a brand new Aston Martin developed, UK built V6 engine. As our partnership with Red Bull Racing grows on and off the track, so the 00 series of special models